If you simply want the best possible AIO that money can buy with every single feature you could hope for, then it doesn't get better than the ASUS ROG Ryujin III 360. It's a powerful and premium 360mm AIO that can cool any CPU while staying silent. There are 3 magnetic ARGB fans that can be daisy-chained to one another. This is probably one of the best features of the Ryujin III, as anyone can easily detach them and clean the fans without having a second thought or worrying about reconnecting any wires. The magnets on these fans are also really powerful and require a bit of force to remove them from the radiator. Other than the genius design, the fans are powerful yet silent, even when running at higher RPMs. Depending on the CPU load, the fans typically spin at 1800 RPM during gaming while remaining inaudible. If you stress the CPU a lot, the fans do ramp up to 2200 RPM, but even then, they operate under 40 decibels, which is a perfectly acceptable noise level. The pump also hides a smaller fan underneath that cools the VRMs directly. You can easily expect VRM temperatures to lower by about 5 degrees, which helps in mitigating thermal throttle. The star of the show is obviously the vivid 3.5-inch LCD display on top of the pump. It's really bright and can display animations up to 2000 frames. You can also use the software to configure the LCD and display other useful information, such as temperatures and fan speeds. It's vibrant and breathes life into any PC. Overall, I think the Ryujin III is a near-perfect water cooler, and objectively speaking, there's nothing wrong with it. Competitors like NZXT and Corsair haven't been able to make an AIO that checks all the boxes in terms of cooling performance, noise, and design. While that makes the Ryujin III a perfect product, ASUS is charging an arm and a leg for it. Even as a premium product, I think the price is quite high, and I think the NZXT Kraken series and Corsair H170i both have nicer looking displays at lower prices. Also, at this price, ASUS should have gone with a more advanced LCD that extends the display rather than running loaded animations. Still, the Ryujin III is a complete package and makes up for the high price thanks to superb cooling performance without making any noise, which is something that the competition really needs to improve upon. All in all, if you're looking for the absolute best AIO CPU cooler, then there's nothing better than the ASUS Ryujin III. It performs exceptionally well with a nice and vibrant LCD display that commands attention. At over $300, it certainly is an expensive cooler, but if you don't care about the price, it's worth every penny. To sum up, what I like is the top-of-the-line cooling performance, and the silent operation even under maximum load. On the downside, it's very expensive. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9.5 out of 10. Noise, 9.5 out of 10. Features, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 6.5 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10.